Wrth i'r prynhawn ddiflannu iawn am dro I lan yr afon, y theatr a chanolfan gelfyddydol newydd am ddracht o ddiwylliant.
The last professional theatre in Newport was the Lyceum, which was knocked down in 1961. So it was 44 years before this place opened, the riverfront, to complement the work of the Dolmen, where amateur theatre had happened throughout that time. We run a really interesting range of professional performances, workshops and other opportunities for people to do their own art. We've got an art gallery, a recording studio. There's a whole range of stuff that happens here, from film on Monday and Tuesday nights through to big-scale professional panto. There's really something for everybody from Newport, and we're really pleased with the numbers of people who are beginning to attend. We had over 100,000 people through the doors in the first 18 months, so we'll be carrying on building on that over the next 18 months. And more.
My name's Dr. Hayes, the Undead Ringmaster from the Circus of Horrors. Here we are in the Riverfront Centre in Newport. This is our third time we've been here. We've sold out 2 other occasions. This year we decided to come back and add an extra day, and both of those have sold out. It's a great venue, we love coming here. We've been all over the world, and of course all over the UK, but this is certainly one of our favourites. The marketing team seem to have it spot on. It's a beautiful location, all part of the regeneration of Newport, and so we're proud to be bringing the show here for the third time.